What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to Neil K Trades or Neil K Trading. Today we just have a trade recap, very quick. Don't want to waste too much time talking about mumbo jumbo. Let's just get right into the trade. Here is the screenshot. 1275 on the day. This is on my 50K Express Top Step funded account. I am thinking about dropping a video on how to get started with funded accounts today, so do stay tuned for that. Let's not take too much time. Let's just jump right into the trade. So today was kind of weird. I was looking for shorts pretty much all day, but didn't really get anything too good. Like, I had wanted to take this short here off of this inverse fair value gap after taking out these highs. But as you can see, the candle closure on this was so far away, like 10 points away, $200 less I would have made. So if I did enter here, I still would have printed a respectable 53 points, but that's just not my entry model. I like to see a retest of that fair value gap. Let me just put up the drawing tool for screw this. Yeah, I like to see the retest into that like fair value gap before moving back down, but in that case we did not get it today, or at least on that trade. So yeah, prices were just really weird. We did have a potential long that did tap back into it, but that was like a really minuscule IFVG, and I don't really take really small ones like that. While they do work, while we did take out some good buy side turn sell side. So as you can see here, we have this premium wick here, and we created this sell side here that I have marked out. As you can see here, we did create this new sell side that was once buy side, so swept that, inversed this tiny fair value gap, and moved higher. But I didn't like the look of that, to be honest. And look at all this chop. Like, to hit full TP at buy side, I would have had to sit through like 35 minutes of chop. So yeah, no thank you. So what we did have here though was a good sweep of not the new buy side, but we had these levels here. So we did take out this new buy side that we created at, what was this, 11:30 New York time. So I was definitely like, I still want to keep these draws in mind when I'm looking to look for a reversal. Not only the main draw up here, I do like looking for entries off of that. So as you can see here, we have this wick here, we have this wick here, have the sharp move up followed by a sharp move down, like giving me that V shape. So when I say V shape, all I really mean is, let me do this to the side. You'll see a big leg up like this, and you'll see it inverse very quickly in the shape of a V. So this is like an inverse V. And same thing if you're looking to go long, you'll see it look very like V-shapey, indicating that there is a sign of reversal. So this was a really solid trade. Didn't take too long. This was let me just see right here, 17-minute trade, and printed 63 points. So yeah, that was a really good trade. I was originally targeting these lows for 93 points, but I really don't ever take trades like that. That would have been almost $2,000, but I'm still happy with this trade that I took here. So jumping into my trade, yeah, so I'd seen these levels get swept. We didn't quite touch the high here. I'm not too sure if there's a SMT on ES. Let me check real quick for that short. Oh, there might have been an SMT. So if you guys don't know what that is, let me just quickly explain it to you. Yes, so we did have an SMT at those highs. We'll just mark that out. So what that is, as you can see here, Nasdaq made a leg up and made another leg down. And before making its like final leg up, before moving down, it didn't take out this high here. But if you look at ES, we took out the high. Not only did we take it out, we went higher. So typically on like a correlated asset, you'll see one go like this and one go like this. That's usually a good sign of reversal in the market. And same thing if you're looking at like a bottom, you'll see like one take out a lower low and the other one won't quite take out that lower low. It'll like go up. So like, hold on, price will come down lower, move up a little, and break that previous low, whereas on the other correlated assets, price will come up, come lower, but it won't take out that low that it just created. So we did have SMTs on NQ and ES, which was a very good sign for me. I didn't exactly see that when I took the trade, but that's actually a really good setup. Got the SMT at the highs, created this fair value gap, inversed it, and like I'm quite lucky. I barely got filled. My order barely got filled here, and price really just started to like. It was very wicky. I had break even set at that most recent red candles like wick. We'd almost equal lows here, so I set break even at that level. So that was 25 points. Yeah, I set break even at 25 points, and I really did think we were gonna get stopped at a break even with this move up. I mean, like a 19. What was this? Yeah, 25 point out of my direction. That's like pretty indicative that I'm gonna get stopped out. But we did create this fair value gap yet again, inversed it, and move lower. Not only did we do that, oh, this is wrong. Not only did we do that, that leg up that we created, we actually got a change in state of delivery right there. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, I highly recommend looking at my educational content, as all of this will make sense. I explain everything that I'm talking about, from fair value gaps to where I set my break-even level, change in state of delivery, liquidity. I don't have a video on SMTs yet. I think I will do a video on that as well. I have a video on equal lows, equal highs. So I do take a look at all that. So back to the trade, got the change in state of delivery, tagged into it, and continued moving lower. But yeah, I did want to target these lower draws, but I felt a little greedy, so I took take profits kind of near the bottom of, yeah, kind of around this unfilled fair value gap. So I did want to see it close below it, just to get me that, like, I wanted to see it close below that untapped fair value gap, and we did do that, and we moved even lower back down to sell side. So that would have been a sniper trade. That would have been a really, really crazy trade if I took it all the way down there for 93 points. But I say this in like every video, no one's perfect. So yeah, but that yielded $12,000 or $1,275. So yeah, again, this was on my 50K Top Step funded account. Really clean, really to the point. Got not one fair inverse fair well, not only did we get one inverse fair value gap, we got two, got a change in state of delivery, hit break even very quickly, and had SMTs at the high. So awesome trade. So if you guys do appreciate these types of trade recaps, do let me know. I try to break down everything that I'm seeing. I do want to start doing more live session videos, but when I'm in class, my laptop bugs out, and it kind of really annoys me on OBS. So the days that I am like at my apartment at home for morning session, I will start to record my trades. I know I did one like that ages ago, but that was me showing a loss, and that was me showing a break-even trade. So it would be nice to hit a full take profit while trading this, so, or while like recording. So that'd be really cool. So yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, share with your friends. I appreciate you watching. Stay tuned for how to get started with funded accounts and how to journal your trades in Notion. So thank you for watching. Be patient, be humble. I'll see you in the next one.